Hello, curious drivers. So today I worked on my headlight. I tried multiple techniques to restore my headlights. So I want to remove these scratches from the headlight. These are the essential ones. So let's find out if I can do it or not. I need to remove the headlight from the car so I can work on the headlight and restore it completely from inside. For that, you need to remove all the electrical connections to the headlight first, then start unscrewing it. Remove the headlights completely from the car and to your workshop or wherever you want to. Here you can see my tools. Use your screwdriver to open the headlight. It should not be very difficult. You may have to unscrew some internal parts of the headlight as well, so you can do your job more efficiently. Apply the toothpaste over here and then add some baking soda to it to remove any oxidation on the headlight, and start rubbing it all over the headlight and do it from the inside and also from the outside. Do it in a circular motion, and after you are done with the applying part, then leave it for like 15-20 minutes, washing it with some soap or shampoo, sponge to clean it out. I am using a sponge and a spray bottle. Once I wash it completely with water, you can see the headlight is all clean and clear. It looks clear, but it is still have the deeper scratches. So I don't know if it is a failure or a success. I think we can have apply another method. For the next step, we will try to remove the first upper layer of the headlight cover to remove the deeper scratches. So for that, we need 600 sandpaper, 1000 and 2000, and some wax and some screwdriver and other tools I showed in the earlier part of the video. You can see the cover. Right now the condition of the cover is still the same because there are some deeper scratches into the cover which are not still removed, and we need to work on it and start rubbing it with the sandpaper. We will spray some water and then do a circular motion with the 600 sandpaper. Keep doing it. Once you are done with the 600, then you can do it with this 1000, and then last part will be with 2000 sandpaper. So when you are rubbing it with sandpaper, always keep it wet. After each step, review the cover, see if the scratches are removed or the upper layer part is removed from the headlight, and then move towards the next step if you feel comfortable it is getting clearer or not. While you're watching this, don't forget to subscribe and check more videos about headlight care, and I have also made videos about increased mileage of your car. You will repeat the process until you get the desired result. Once you are done with these steps, you will be cleaning it with the alcohol. I am using a nail polish remover, so it is cheaper and you can find it at your home. Apply alcohol all over the headlight cover from outside and from the inside. Make sure there are no plastic particles remaining, so it may cause some trouble when we start using the clear coat and spray it all over the cover, and it may not perform very well if there are any debris or plastic particles are on the cover. Clean it and let it dry. Then we move towards the part where we spray the clear coat. So the spray I am using right now, it is a very bad spray, so do not use this. You may not find this one in your country, so I will link in the description. Use that spray when you are applying the clear coat day, and then wait for 5 minutes to dry it, and then do it again. You will be doing it 3 times. So I've not done it before, so this is all trial and error. So you can see the result at the end of the video and let me know if it did work or not. wait for 5 minutes and let it dry. Now we will apply the glue using the glue gun, and then seal the headlight cover onto the main headlight. Sealing the headlight would help protect headlight from water, and water will not get inside when you take it to the car wash. Once I seal it, I applied wax and rub it with the microfiber towel. The end result looks like this. Now, looking at the headlight, you can tell me if it deserves a subscribe or not. Tell me in the comment section if this